Awakenings at the Wynn Resort in Las Vegas is an 80-minute must-see, dazzling production which entertains on all levels, literally all levels, and it delivers the wow factor. You'll find yourself immersed in a mythical world where the heroine, 1-0, and her somewhat comedic helpers, Bandit and Boo, are on a quest to unite light and dark and save the world. But this show isn't about the plot. This spectacular 5-star presentation is a treat for all your senses. It has every element that you would want in a Las Vegas production. The groundbreaking technology, the incredible sound system, the talented cast, the use of multiple levels of action. This is theater at its finest. The choreography was created to maximize the visuals that fill the 360-degree prismatic rotating stage. I know, it's unbelievable. The costuming is colorful, creative, and often unique. The storyline takes the old audience to alternate worlds where the latest technology comes into play. The dance includes all variations from rock to breakdancing to ballet. Then there are creatures coming down from the top of the roof, sometimes concrete and other times imaginary, the result of lightings and unbelievable technological elements. The original music blends and furthers the action. And no, you won't need earplugs. The sound level is controlled. It isn't blaring, but you can hear every word clearly thanks to the custom sound system, which utilizes personal speakers at every seat. Not on you, but like right here. Comfortable padded seating was clearly designed so that vertically challenged people, like me, sitting behind the 6-footers, can still see everything. The entertainers are top of the line. The cast is huge, 60 cast members. Everywhere you look, there are dancers, singers, acrobats, magicians, and puppets and projected characters. Now, beyond the expected dancing, you'll see gyrations on the flexible balance beam, baton, fire twirling, aerial gymnastics. And this being Las Vegas, there's magic along with the characters vanishing and appearing elsewhere in the theater. You know about that stuff. No real lions or tigers or bears, but extraordinary creatures that will take your breath away. As we exited the show, I conducted my own random survey, which confirmed my thought that the show holds the kids' attention along with others of all ages. Awakenings is a modern-age theatrical experience with the most advanced technology, incredible physical facility, and talented performers. You will not see this anywhere but Las Vegas. Now, there are specials for locals in place until the end of September, with tickets starting at only $79. Call 702-770-4469 and mention SUMR23. Beyond that, check in case they continue locals rates or have other specials. Go see Awakening and enjoy.